If your client set up a payment plan with the IRS, here is how it shows up on the transcript and what to verify. Code 960 means an installment agreement was established. It confirms the IRS accepted a formal payment arrangement for the outstanding balance. The date next to it is when the agreement took effect. Code 961 means the installment agreement was revised or reinstated. This appears when terms changed, such as a new monthly amount, or when an agreement was reinstated after a default. Here is what to check. Look at the balance due codes on the transcript to confirm the total amount covered by the agreement. Then verify that subsequent payment codes like 670 are appearing at regular intervals. If payments stop showing up, the agreement may be at risk of default. Also watch for code 971 nearby, which means a notice was sent about the agreement terms. That notice contains the specific monthly amount and due date.
Transcript Tax Monitor protracts installment agreement codes and payment history automatically. Free code lookup in the description.